Hi crafty friends, Lacey here, the Cheeky Bum, and I'm coming on with a project share. This is for the Christmas card and tag swap hosted by Mika and Rocky. I will list all their information down below. And mine is late, but I know she was waiting on a couple other people, but I'm sorry if I'm the one that's holding up the swap. But I'm going to show you what I made. So I'm going to put what was required up in the corner, but it was 4 Christmas cards with 4 Christmas cards with sentiments, 4 tags, an ornament, and I think that's it. But I'm going to show you what I created. So first off, I created this box. I don't know, I might still decorate the front with something. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to put on it. But this is a card box. This is a tutorial by the Posh Paper Lady, I believe. But I'll link the tutorial down below. It's cute. It was definitely my first time making it. I think I could make another one and make it better, but I think it's cute and it does what it needs to do. So I'm going to empty everything out and show you what I got in here. So for card wise, I have a few different cards. So I have a couple that were made out of a card kit that I got from Joann's, the DCWV card kits, and some other papers as well. So I have a couple of those. I made this Gingy card. She cute. And then I made this shaker card. This was also a card kit. So I have a couple different variety of cards. I really wanted to make more. I don't have the time and it needs to go out, but I did make all the requirements. I also have, so these are what I did with my tags. I made my tags a little different. I also got this, it's like an advent calendar kit from DCWV, and it has these like little envelope pockets. You're supposed to date them, but they have some little inserts. So this is what I did. I created a tag, so I popped a hole in it. I put a string so you could attach it with tape or whatever to your box. And my to and from are these little inserts. So you can write to and from, and then you can take it out and write a little note or a journal. Like, you could put, just more than to and from on it. I decorated the fronts, and I just think that they turned out so cute. I really like these, and I want to make more. So I have this one. This one has a shaker poinsettia, and I tried to do different type of pulls. Some of them have ribbon pulls. This one's got like a little flower. They don't need them, but I think it's a cute little touch so that you know that you need to pull it out. So there's this one. There's this one. And I thought it was just a cool way to use the pockets. And then this one. I really like how they turned out. I ended up making 5. So I have those. And for my ornament, I have this cute little pink Santa coat. I think I might have more. I'm going to have to look. I might have some more ornaments that I can add in. I want to say that I have another couple. I just have to find some. And then I also have a couple other things that this was from a swap I think I had last year. But I don't really have I don't have this paper collection. And it's just not, they're more traditional. I don't know if I'm going to use them, so I'm going to go ahead and pop them in my box as well, along with these bows. I can't remember who this swap was from. And then a couple of these little sentiments. I already have these as well, so I'm going to go ahead and pop those in too. So there's a nice little variety. Most of it's like kind of pastel-y, but it is what it is. I'm also going to include this card kit. So it's a door card kit that I had gotten. I've gotten 2 of them, so I'm going to share one. I'm going to share something with Mika as well. So there's that. And then I will show you the card that I made Mika. So I made her a Creepmas card because we're creepy girls. So I made her a Creepmas card. I made one very similar to this for the Creepmas swap that we did, and everybody seemed to really like it. So I'm gonna toss this in for Mika, and that is my Christmas card and tag swap reveal. If you have any questions, let me know below, but I will put the tutorial for this card box down below. It is really cute. I really like it. And I can't wait to make another one because this was really fun. And I made this one big so that it would fit all of my tags and stuff. But she has a tutorial for a 5x7 one and then one for an A2 size, I believe. But this was really fun. So like I said, I'll link everything down below, but I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.